Here we are at the Waterford Apartments. They're opening up our new playground. The kids are lined up, ready to go, inspected. All the little ones are getting a few steps forward.
Hey, how old is DJ?
6.
DJ, kid in the blue shirt. You can come forward. DJ, Okay, guys.
The little tiny one's gonna go first. Little ones are running first.
No! I'm not even allowed to. Keep going, keep going.
Yay! Charlotte's the first one on something.
I'm 7.
That's how we run to a playground. Oh, and the playground is open. What do you guys say to the workers? Hey, what do you guys say to these guys? Thank you. Thank you. Hey guys, can you say thank you, Waterford Apartments?
Thank you!